Hello guys, I just got this flying ship kite. It's called the Skyscraper. Pretty interesting. I'm getting into kites now, so you guys can see. I'm always fascinated flying objects, especially in the windy condition. And this one is very interesting because you can actually see here, this thing can actually fly from 5 to 9 miles an hour. And it can also go to 10 to 14 miles an hour. It can also go to 15 miles an hour. Pretty interesting. Let's go ahead and see what's in this kite. I'm very interested, man. And I just want to be out there at the beach and have a good time with my son and feeling the breeze and while this thing goes up in the sky. And you should definitely too, man. I mean, if you're just like enjoying going out there, should have definitely get this. So everything here, it comes in and it's ready to fly. Let's go ahead and see what's in here. So the price on this varies. It can go up to $35 to, I would say, $10, $15. I would, I mean, if you get a better deal, hey, take advantage of it, And you just want to have fun with your kids or you out there at the beach with this thing. Pretty cool. And endless flying, I would say. So it comes with the tail. So this is stabilization, so keeping it from the sky, keeping it smooth while it's flying. And you can see here, this is plastic, very interesting. And the frame is made of fiberglass. And yeah, and let's go ahead. And it comes with this already. And you get the sails, canopy, I would say. This is the front or the back. Let's see how I'll put this together. It's like a ship. And it comes with this. So everything in the box is what you come with and it's ready to fly. Alright guys, this is really easy to assemble. It's like Lego. Anyway, you just gotta have just do the instruction. You're gonna have that first, and next thing you know, you're gonna go ahead and put this. You make sure there's two colors on each of this. I would say the wing sail, and you can see it's like purple on the outer side, and the other side is like red. You make sure you twist it around because that's the only way it will work. Guys, so I got it done. So what you want to do is it's weird because it said red in this side. And that's where the loop is, and it's showing purple. And then this one right here is purple and showing red. So that's the perfect way to put this together. I know what you guys are gonna think. You guys are gonna put this on the red and this on the purple. It ain't gonna work because when you put this bottom piece, it's not gonna lock down in place. But yeah, that's it, man. And it's cool, putting it all together and ready to fly this thing. And it's awesome. It's very lightweight. So I don't really have a stand for this. It'd be nice if they do come with a stand, so when you're done you can just put a display or whatever you want to do with it. But so far so good. I'm super excited. I can't wait to put this together. And I'm probably gonna put this stabilization if I need to, tail, and I have my string and I'm ready to fly.